Hello, New School Beyblade here, and today I'm doing a unboxing of Beyblade X Hasbro Driger slash 480 point. Let's get it. And I'll be doing the exact same. There will be a jump cut for all this, so I can put all the stickers on for this. Okay. Oh, shit. Again, shitty launcher. Let's get this. Oh, god damn it. Tape. My enemy is tape. There we go, right there. Here's the QR code. 480, the typical one, and point. So yeah. Be right back with you guys. Okay, I'm back. Here's Driger S slash. Yeah, I actually really like this one. Can't wait for my Drasil to come in, but yeah. Or wait till Drasil gets a Hasbro release. But yeah, hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this, and goodbye.